My name's Brittany. I'm 24. And I'm gonna be wearing confetti for the next 6 hours. So, horrible lighting aside, we're at Cheesecake Factory and I'm so excited. Look at this pizza and my gauntlet of ranch. Yes. And he got a delicious burger with fries. Wait, take the bun off. Let's show them that. Oh, look at that bacon.
Comes with like a pound of cheese.
It is. So good though.
The best.
Nom, nom, nom. Breakfast, or no, breakfast, lunch. Wow. Birthday lunch. I can't talk today.
Breakfast lunch.
Breakfast lunch. Perfect. So we just had Cheesecake Factory for my birthday lunch. It was delicious. I had like 30,000 calories at least. Like there was bread, there was deep fried mac and cheese bites, there was a full cheese pizza, which I have like right here pretty much. So I've had 2 slices, but yeah, that's gonna be dinner later. And we are gonna head over to the water tower place. We're in Starbucks right now. I'm getting my free birthday drink because hello, it's free. But we're gonna go get some shopping done and then go back to the hotel room, probably nap a little bit, and then go out and have my birthday dinner. So that is our date.
Already on.
No Starbucks is better than free Starbucks, right, babe?
I don't drink that much Starbucks.
Oh, neither. This isn't even coffee. I hate coffee, but it's Frappuccino, so it doesn't taste like coffee. But
Carbs for days.
So good. So this is the aftermath of using these confetti poppers. They got everywhere, but it was so worth it for the shot. So basically, I've got the 24 balloons right here, if you guys can see. All of this crazy confetti that is all over our room, the bed, it's like all up in places, and you know what I mean? And it doesn't matter, because we're gonna get a great shot. I've got the master confetti popper unwrapper right here, and I'm gonna pop this one myself. I wish I could show you guys what it looks like, but I've only got this one camera. These are the little confetti poppers right here. Seriously, like this bed does not even, like half of it is down in our room over there. But I'm gonna pop this one myself and see if we can't get more cute shots. Alright, this is how we've been trying to get this shot, okay? So I like get ready, I scoop up some confetti, and then he goes 3, 2, 1, and then I'm like, or it's more like the fake laugh where everybody scoops them up, and then it's just like 3, 2, 1. But we've gotten really cute ones so far, so I'm really excited. I'm not excited to clean all this up at all. Like this is, but it's almost kind of like a heaven. Like it's kind of like, you know what I mean? Like I just want to be like, hello, it's my birthday and I'm gonna be extra. Like, you know what I mean? Just like, hello, my name's Brittany. I'm 24 and I'm gonna be wearing confetti for the next 6 hours. Do that. I mean, how could you just not be extra with all of this? Like, I just want housekeeping to come in and be like, housekeeping, like, could we have new linens, please? Alright, so we are about to get ready for my birthday dinner, and I will see you guys later. Oh, not so much. Alright, here's the old camera. Where's the pipper popper? So I just gotta, like real hard? Just.
Yep, just.
Okay, you tell me when.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Okay, retry, fail. Can't do anything right. Alright, here you go, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, I feel like I'm gonna mess this up.
You're fine.
Okay, 1, 2.
Yeah.
Aftermath, like, all throughout our hotel room are these confetti pieces. I feel so bad. We're obviously gonna clean it up, guys. We're not gonna, like, make housekeeping do this. We're gonna clean it up, but, like, does that bedspread not like you just want, like, I just want to eat this bedspread. Like, just, hello, magical confetti. Oh, you know what it looks like, babe? It looks like one of those sugar cookies that you'd get at the mall. Like those really, really good sugar.
One went down your shirt.
Of course it did. Confetti's going places it's not supposed to go today, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, there's some on the back That's right. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. We have a mess to clean up, but it's worth it because we look like sugar cookie confetti cookies. Yay! Hello, I'm 24 and we're setting up for another shot. Woo! Oh, here we go. Hashtag Instagram boyfriend right here.
Hashtag I love it.
Yeah, I'm sure. So, you know, I'm over here just trying to get some nice photos for my reviews in this hotel, and what do we have over here?
Gotta work out.
Mr. Strongman. But seriously, this is like a really cute, like, they've got a lot here for just being like a casual boutique hotel fitness center. Like, you got the balls, that's me. Got some ellipticals, a little bike, 2 little treadmills. So cute. Let's just step up on here, like, and you've got like the cutest little neighborhood to look out at. So that is the fitness center. If you come down here, they also have a place for massages. They've got ice and vending. This is all on the 2nd floor, and a microwave, which is super handy because we totally reheated some of our leftovers. Then if you go here, there's a little sitting area, which, to be honest, I'll probably be taking a photo here in a minute. There is a little nail salon right here, which is super cute. And then as you walk downstairs, you get into the main lobby area, and there's a little restaurant down in here, which is super cute. Gonna get a little sneak of that. And then if you come this way, there's check-in, a little seating area. I'm going through here. These are kind of like the main doors right there, a little sitting area, and then there's a bar over here, which I'll take you guys to. So like this seating area here is so freaking aesthetically pleasing. I totally took a photo right there on that couch. But it's really nice in here. Like, if you're looking for an Instagrammable hotel, so cute. And that's the bar area. And if you were to walk out of the doors, it would be like that. These are the elevators. This is my pasta baby, as I like to call it. Right here, we've both gained a pasta baby. So this is what the elevator looks like here. Go ahead and get out. I'm going to show them what it looks like. So this is what the elevator looks like. And you come off, and these are the hallways. And as we go in, this is what the rooms look like. We've got the little king room. It's obviously super dirty, so just disregard how much clothes and everything is all over it. But it's really nice. There's like a chair, bed, stands, awesome lighting. They've got a great little like lamp right here. Chair that like all of my crap is on. Oh, a little TV stand, TV. There's a little desk area right here. And obviously I'm gonna give you guys a better tour tomorrow when it's not dirty. But in here we've actually taken off the ice bucket and 2 little cups that they had, and we've made our own little drinks. And in here they have a super nice little, oh, let's see. Oh, beautiful. Thank you, my little refrigerator model. Super nice. And they have like little things in the doors, which is really nice because like low-key, it's a little annoying to have to stack up water bottles. So, right there is a huge wardrobe. Now let me turn this light on. If you come here, they've got a bunch of hangers for you, and also if you're one of the people like me who likes to lock their stuff up when they leave, they have a safe and a freaking steamer. Yes, queen. That's all I'm gonna say. So please disregard like the, you know, how like dirty this bathroom is, but super nice. I could probably take these down and make it not look as bad. Super nice shower and really great mirror to put on your makeup with the lighting. This is what it looks like. Really cute. Hey friends. Literally got a great pasta baby. So this is the outside right here. They've got some outside seating too for like the restaurant, which is super cute. But it's like a pretty tall boutique building, and it is in like the greatest location ever. And it's honestly, it's so aesthetically pleasing. So we just got some like super cute shots of me like with this super cute dress on. It is from Relish. I will be sure to tag it down below if I can, if not just like her Instagram and website. But I'm going to be doing a post on Instagram with it, and I'm seriously so excited to show you guys the shots. I will see if I can upload them on my laptop, and then I'll show you guys what they look like. Please ignore this horrible lighting, but let's see. We are going on the Chicago Sky Deck. What is it called? It's the 360 Chicago Observatory. I am literally petrified. Kieran's in the bathroom right now. I am so scared to go up on this thing. Like, we literally have to go up, what is it, a 90-second elevator ride to get to the top? But we got the adult package where we get the drink that is included with like our ticket to go up there. So homegirl is going to be having herself a mimosa or something, because I'm going to be jittery as all get out. So I'll take you guys up there, and I am excited / nervous / if you don't see me again, I have probably fainted and died at the top of this building. Each place right here is like a different part. Each place is like a different part of Chicago, and we're just like going around and looking at all of it. I'm sure the lighting is just prime here. Sorry guys, but we are almost to the elevators. Hyperventilating, heavy breathing. We are at the top of the, what is it called? It's
The Hancock Tower.
Oh, the 360 Chicago view. So this is what we're working with here. Oh, probably could turn down the exposure just a little bit there for you guys. Like how
Gorgeous, darling.
gorgeous. Yes, queen. Yes. I was scared at first, but like it's not as bad once you're up here. Be an extra in the bathroom because it's just me. Yes, Gwen. Yes. Hello, food baby. Nice to meet you. So we made it to the top. Seriously, the views are phenomenal. 10 out of 10 would recommend, especially if you are above 21. Do the cocktail package where you get a cocktail. It's what, $6? Added on, it's usually like 21 or something. If you just come up here, if you get the drink too, it's like 26. So worth it. Like, was that $5 drink? Worth it. Probably off by a couple dollars, but seriously, you guys, like this, and just like, this is our view from where we're at this table. Like, what? And okay, just for all the people who might be vlogging like I am, they don't allow tripods. Like, I snuck this in. Well, she said it was okay, but I'm not allowed to use it. So right now my camera is on my bag. So just so you guys know, if you want to bring a tripod, you can't do it. So I hope you have steady hands, or, you know, use self-stabilization in iMovie. So anyways, that is pretty much going to be the end of the birthday weekend vlog. I'll probably do a little bit of vlogging, like maybe downtown or on the train. But we have had so much fun here. Like, so much fun. And like, really special thanks to the Claridge House for making this such an amazing weekend. I mean, it is a great place. If you guys are looking for somewhere to stay in the Gold Coast or Golden Coast, whatever it is, that I would highly recommend that place. And there's a breakfast place, like literally a block.
Not even a block.
Not even a block. No, it's not even like a block / building down, and it is so good. Like, I got French toast for $9. There was like 8 pieces of freaking French toast, like thick cut Texas toast, French toast. So good. Highly would recommend. So if you guys are looking for a place, again, the Claridge House, that is what we stayed at for the last 2 nights. I did a little room tour with that, and like, just the staff was amazing, the amenities were amazing, the room was amazing. The view was like okay, but it's a boutique hotel, so I wasn't expecting like high-rise views anyway. And like, honestly, we weren't in the hotel enough to like enjoy the, you know, the view. We were just like there to have somewhere to like reconvene and sleep. So yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. This is the first day of me being 24, and so far it is pretty freaking spectacular. So I will see you guys either in the next clip or in my next video.